Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making an eggnog cocktail. This drink is so delicious and super easy to make. So what's more to say? Let's get started. Today I'm just using some traditional eggnog that I bought in the store, and I'm going to start with a 1/3 cup of eggnog, putting it into my mixer. And I also have quite a lot of ice in it right now too to get it nice and chill. And for me, I find eggnog is a very heavy beverage, so I like cutting it with some almond milk because it lightens it up a bit more. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Alright. Now, you can't have the cocktail without the booze, right? So I have today some Bailey's Irish Cream, and I'm going to be adding in 1 ounce of that. Or 1.5. It's kind of up to you on this one, depending on how boozy you want to get. Okay. And I also have some spiced rum today, which I'm going to add as well. And I'm going to add 1 ounce of this. Alright. And the last thing I'm going to add in, and I'm also going to be adding this on top, is just a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. So I'm just going to add about a nice dash to it. And there we go. That's all there is to it. So now all you have to do is mix it together. Scariest part in my opinion. Oh, my Anne is cold. Okay, and so for our martini glass, this is actually going to be my mom's drink. So I'm not putting any whipped cream on it. So we're going to have it just as is. Beautiful. And also, if you'd like, at the end you can add a dash more of pumpkin pie spice or some cinnamon, and that always is great on it as well. And now for the cocktail, I'm just going to add in the rest of it. Oops. Okay. You never saw that, did you? Okay, and also I'm just going to be using some ready whip cream today. Usually I love to make everything homemade, but today it's a quick and easy recipe, and I have this on hand from making this the other night, so I'm like, why not use it? So now I'm just going to top this up with whipped cream. Delicious. And I'm going to add a bit more of pumpkin pie spice. And voila, here we have our beautiful finished cocktails. If you want a martini or if you want a cocktail, we have options for you today. Either way, they are both so delicious, and this is probably one of my all-time favorite drinks for the holiday season. Yep, it still is. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please have the most amazing holiday season, and I'll see you next time.